Here the question is, the dash property of materials like copper, silicon and germanium depends upon the energy gap between their conduction and valence band. So we know that we have valence band EV and the conduction band EC. So in between we have that forbidden energy gap EG. So the electrical conductivity property of materials like silicon and germanium depends upon the energy gap, band gap, so between the conduction and valence band. So we know that semiconductor like silicon and germanium have relatively small band gaps which allows electrons to be thermally excited from the valence band to the conduction band at the room temperature. So we can say that electrical conductivity property of silicon and germanium is highly dependent on their energy gap. So the answer is electrical conductivity.